Most people leave their expensive gaming rigs on the floor to collect dust and pet hair, but this simple strap system might be the smartest way to save your PC and your desk space at the same time. It is honestly surprising how much of a difference getting your tower off the ground can make for both airflow and legroom. This universal CPU stand from KGS 224LKS takes a minimalist approach to a common problem by using a high-strength strap and bracket system that mounts directly under your desk or even onto a flat wall. Instead of a bulky metal cage that only fits one specific size, this design is incredibly flexible. It handles towers with a width between 8 and 13 centimeters and a height ranging from 28 to 46 centimeters. What is really impressive is how the installation process allows for adjustments even after you have bolted the hardware into place. You can fine-tune the depth and width to ensure your case is snug and secure. The two adjustable non-slip straps are the secret sauce here, gripping the housing of almost any PC shape without scratching the finish. It is a huge relief for anyone worried about floor vibrations or the dreaded dust buildup that kills components over time. When you are not using it, the whole thing is so compact, it practically disappears, weighing in at just 50 grams and rolling up for easy storage. It is a low-profile solution that feels sturdy enough to give you peace of mind while keeping your workspace looking clean and professional. If you are tired of your PC taking up valuable real estate on top of your desk or suffocating on the carpet, this is a clever budget-friendly way to elevate your entire gaming experience. It is simple, effective, and a total game changer for cable management and system longevity. This mount is a must-have for anyone looking to protect their hardware while reclaiming their floor space.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.